A long time ago in literally this galaxy, people had to do things like communicate with the optical telegraph. Then a savior came. This man was called Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday studied for years under the great Professor Humphrey Davy, later becoming his replacement in chemistry at the Royal Institute of London. In 1821, Faraday learned the work of Hans Ørsted, linking electricity and magnetism. Later, Faraday created the electric motor. Gauss was another scientist. He wanted to carry signals by wire. Gauss created binary code using positive and negative signals sent through the wires. Later, a man named Samuel Morse invented Morse code because of this. Ampere was another scientist who experimented with electricity and wires. James Clerk Maxwell was born while all of these scientists were being great. Maxwell was born a weird mathematical dude who spent his time doing weird things like trying to figure out why cats always landed on their feet. Maxwell first changed Faraday's ideas to be more mathematical and came to the conclusion that he needed structure. Faraday knew science but not math, so his ideas were more abstract.
Everything you have done.
Faraday's ideas of electricity told us that current followed a particular path and how strength related to velocity. This led to Faraday's law.
Come and give me your hand. I'll take you far.
Maxwell's first two equations come from Gauss. Gauss talked about the electrical field and how electricity and magnetism cannot just disappear. Gauss talked about the transfer of magnetism and electricity, and Maxwell again put this into mathematical form.
Hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Ampere's law explains how there is a magnetic field surrounding a flow of electricity.
Finding myself making every possible mistake.
Ultimately, the equations tell us how electricity and magnetism work together. The first two tell us that electricity moves according to a magnetic charge, being pulled or pushed when the charge is negative or positive, but not appearing and disappearing. The other two equations tell us that changing an electric field changes a magnetic field, and changing a magnetic field changes an electric field. This means that by simply moving a magnet, electricity can be created. These equations led to greatness. Today we have the microwave, X-rays, radio, telephone, etc., all because of these people.